Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if this is the first time you're watching me. And in today's video I am going to do my morning skincare regime. I'm going to show you guys what skincare I do before doing my makeup and doing after waking up in the morning, what skincare regime do I follow. So I'm going to go do a detailed video on that. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. The link will be given in the description box down below as well as on the screen. So let's get started with this video. So guys, as you can see, I'm all barefaced right now, and the first and foremost thing that everybody does after brushing your teeth or before brushing your teeth is use a cleanser or a face wash. So for that I use this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and it's great for all skin types, though it comes in two different variations, oily and the dry one, dry and sensitive one. So my skin is like dry to normal, so that's why I use the all skin type. I think that it's this Gentle Skin Cleanser. I use this one. I don't use the oily one because my skin is far from oily. So this is what I use, and I'm gonna take a good amount. You don't need to take a lot for you don't need to take a lot of the cleanser, and it's not gonna foam. It's not a foaming cleanser, but it does its work like really well. See, it's not gonna foam. And it does not even itch your eyes. See, I can open my eyes. Other than this, all the cleansers and the face washes that I have used, my eyes tend to burn all the time, but this one nothing happens. So I use it all around my eyes just to remove the dark circles that I have from all the Netflix. After that, you are supposed to wash your face, as everybody knows. See guys, after the wash, it's a good clear skin. I love it. After cleansing my face, use a toner. Like I have like two toners. One is the Plum Toner, which is a very famous one. Everybody uses that. And the other one is a Good Vibes Toner. It's a pomegranate face toner. It's a great option. It's a great inexpensive option. I love it. I'm gonna post a picture over here, and it does a great job. It smells so nice. I love it. I love the Good Vibes one as well, but I am gonna use this Plum Toner from their green tea range. So this is an alcohol free toner, so I love it even more because I don't like anything that burns on my skin. I don't like a lot of chemical things. But next, what I'm gonna use is totally contradictory. So I like to pat my skin because then it gives a better blood circulation to your skin. Do not forget your neck, guys. So after we are done with the toner, what I'm going to use next is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. This one, I use the mini one. I always buy minis before, like the sample pieces, just to make sure that it's working well in my skin. It's no use buying a big bottle of it if it's useless, right? So I always tend to test the products and then I buy a larger one. So this is the first bottle and I really like it, so I'm gonna buy a big one when I finish this. So I will pour the essence directly on my skin, give it a nice massage, nice and clean, perfect. So after using this L'Oreal Paris product, I'm going to use another L'Oreal product, which is their hyaluronic acid. It's a 1.5 hyaluronic acid serum. So I really like this, and what I do is I take a generous amount of it. Good amount, okay? Good amount of serum. So this one's pretty nice. Okay, this 1.5% Revitalated Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I wanted to try the Minimalist hyaluronic acid as well, but then I heard really good reviews about this. Like after Shreya Jain confirmed that this is good, I bought this one and I really wanted to try this out. Before trying that Minimalist one, I really want to try Minimalist retinol and salicylic acid. So yeah, this is how my face looks after applying this serum. It definitely plumps up the skin, radiates it, hydrates it. Its main work is to hydrate your skin from the inside, and that's how it looks. So after we are done with the serum, it's time for the moisturizer, of course. So I'm gonna use this Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. So it's a 24 moisture lock and I really like this. So you guys know, before makeup videos, you must have seen in my makeup videos, I have been using this. I always use this. So this is the skincare that I do before makeup, also the morning one, after which I do my makeup. So of course I'm gonna moisturize my face very nicely. I love moisturizer. My favorite skincare product is moisturizer and then toner. You guys can let me know in the comments below what is your favorite skincare product. Okay, so we are done. Then there's only one more step. What I do after the moisturizing is using a sunscreen. See, I use this Neutrogena sunscreen. It's a SPF 50 plus. Just because of SPF 50 plus, I use this Neutrogena one. Also, if you guys want to know another good substitute of this one, is this Lotus Safe Sun. It's a SPF 40, so you can use this as well. But just because of the SPF 50, I use this one. Otherwise, I used to use the Lotus one. It's also a great option. Although it's not so sunny anymore, it's a rainy season now, it's monsoon, it's almost monsoon now, still there's a little bit of sun in the sky. So you always need sun protect, always, no matter what, you need sun protect. So we are done with the sunscreen as well, as you guys can see. So what everybody does is uses a lip balm after this, but this is the skincare regime that I follow before doing my makeup. So I don't really use lip balm after this because I don't have the time, because I use the moisturizer on my lips and I feel it's useless to use a lip balm. I use lip balm at night before sleeping. So I'm gonna put on a lipstick. So that sums up my skincare regime, my skincare routine. There were a lot of DMs and a lot of messages, comments. So I hope you guys liked this video. I did this for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, skincare process. And one more tip that I would like to give you is, if you are using a clay mask, I love this amazing clay mask. Since I did not use any clay mask in this video, I am going to suggest you one if you guys need any. I use this Plum Green, again from the Green Tea range, clay face mask. So it's a full-on clay mask. It's almost finished. See, I need to dig from the sides. As you can see, I love this one. So I take a little bit of rose water or sometimes normal water. You can also take yogurt with it, and then just apply it onto your face and keep it for 15 minutes and then rinse it off. So that is what I use for my clay mask. That sums up my skincare regime. Guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this nice, cute, detailed skincare routine. And if you did, please do all that good stuff. Like, share, comment down below what is your favorite skincare product. And yeah, bye guys. I'll see you super soon in my very next video.